Mechanical properties of materials are uncovered in this laboratory. Sophisticated UTMs are employed to determine how materials and products react to external forces. Samples are prepared for testing using power hacksaw and circular grinder whenever applicable. Hardness of material is measured in Rockwell scale using the digital Rockwell hardness tester. A portable hardness measurement is also provided to determine hardness of critical facilities. This is capable of measuring the hardness of the specimen at different positions, like horizontal, vertical or overhead. This will guide decision makers in the maintenance of their key facilities and equipment. One of the mandatory products monitored by the Bureau of Philippine Standard is the reinforcing steel bar. Complete physical tests for this product is provided under this laboratory to ensure compliance to our Philippine national standard. Non-destructive test is an inspection method to evaluate the integrity of the material, parts or components while maintaining its usefulness. Ultrasonic inspection is one of the NDT techniques that uses sound energy to travel inside the material being tested. This generates different signals and images that are used to analyze the specimen's integrity. It can also be used to measure the thickness of the material. To ensure quality of test, personnel undergo rigorous knowledge and skill qualifications and awarded certification for the specific NDT method. Radiographic inspection of welds for LPG tanks are conducted using X-ray machine. A better radiographic image can be achieved using this source because radiation energy can be adjusted to the appropriate amount. In order to ensure that results are reliable, NDT Laboratory joins proficiency testing program in the different methods as shown.
The Analytical Laboratories section is comprised of Physico-Chemical Laboratory and Corrosion Laboratory. The Optical Emission Spectrometers or OES, provides a highly accurate analysis for ferrous, copper and aluminum alloys. One unit is dedicated primarily in the analysis of regulated metal products such as rebars, equal leg angle bars and LPG tanks. The handheld X-ray fluorescence spectrometer, also known as XRF, provides a non-destructive metal alloy analysis of various metal products. It can also be used for the identification of precious metals such as gold, silver, and platinum among others. This test can also be conducted on site. The cyclic corrosion chamber is used for the accelerated corrosion test for wide arrays of metal products or components. The unit is currently undergoing relocation. The portable thickness tester can measure the thickness of non-magnetic coating applied onto magnetic base metal. This is commonly used in measurement of thickness of zinc coating of galvanized products.
The pencil hardness test uses the varying hardness values of graphite pencils to evaluate a paint coating's hardness and resistance to scratches and wear. Impact test is used to evaluate the performance of organic coating to resist cracking from rapid deformation. The center assists the metals, engineering and allied industries by providing calibration services on various metrology parameters.
It operates on a laboratory management system based on the latest version of ISO 17025 with an accreditation from by the Philippines Accreditation Bureau.
MIRDC provides calibration services on top loading balance using standard weights up to 100 kilograms. The center is also capable to calibrate universal testing machine up to 2000 kN. Pressure gauges, and test gauges calibration up to 15,000 psi, are conducted using oil-type deadweight pressure tester.
The laboratory is also capable on low ranges using the air-type deadweight tester.
MIRDC provides services on thermometry calibration, capable to calibrate temperature ranges from -30°C up to 1000, on various instrument, using standard platinum resistance thermometer and calibration bath and dry block.
The laboratory provides traceability on various electrical instruments using the 8.5 digits accuracy. Multifunction calibrators with a capability up to 10 kV high voltage instrument. The Dimensional Metrology Laboratory is equipped with a precision air conditioning system for the calibration of caliper, micrometer, variable and fixed gauges and for the dimensional inspection of various products. The laboratory provides calibration service on gauge block using the state-of-the-art CNC-type automatic gauge block comparator, capable to determine the parallelism, central length, and maximum length of a grade 0, grade 1, and grade 2 gauge block.
The Dimensional Metrology Laboratory also offers the following capabilities: determination of linear positioning error, straightness, squareness, straightness and parallelism of CNC machines, including flatness measurement of granite surface plate in nanometer. Here, we also have capabilities to perform calibration services on standard glass scale, steel rule up to 2000 mm. Auto Parts Testing Laboratory was established in order to support the Comprehensive Automotive Resurgence Strategy or CARS program. Automotive tires are one of the most common consumable parts of an automobile. Because of this, ATL established a tire endurance testing facility. This facility is compliant to both Philippine national standard and international standard. Specifically the UNECE regulation. Reliability and durability of tire products can be validated using this equipment. Many automotive parts are exposed to repeated loading. Actual simulation can be done using the fatigue tester. Vibrations may damage auto parts, especially the electronic one. Vibration tester exposed samples under test to specified parameters.